Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Fingerprinting Gurus. My name is Tommy Watkins, your instructor, here for a new and exciting topic this week. Before we get started, I'd like for everyone to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and a notification bell so you too can continue to receive content like this each and every week that will not only help assist you as an entrepreneur, ink card fingerprinting business, but your mobile ink card fingerprinting business as well. This week's topic: how much should you charge your clients? And number one would be know the market. And the amount that you're going to charge your clients can be determined by a number of factors such as geographical location, your experience, and demand for yourself or for your services in a particular area. For example, fingerprint technicians. Fingerprint technicians based out of San Francisco, California is definitely going to be charging more than, let's say, a fingerprinting technician here where I reside, Hoover, Alabama, because the cost of living is so much more expensive there in San Francisco. Take a little time to do some market research and see what's the going market rate for someone in your same industry. Look for the survey industry publication or simply Google how much should I charge. Of course, you can go to payscale.com. This is another resource source worth reviewing since it provides the average salaries for thousands of different jobs. Also, number two, you want to keep tabs on your competition. Number three would be hourly. You want to consider whether you want to do your assignments or your particular niche or business on an hourly rate or a per project basis. Number four, determine how much money you need to earn. Number five, consider who your clients are. Number six, it's what they call the mattress method. I will go into detail with that. The mattress method, this method is developed by Marie Peronoro after she visited Sleepy's to purchase a mattress. She wanted to get the Tempur-Pedic mattress, but didn't want to spend like $3,000 on the mattress. However, the salesman reminded Maria that she spends over a third of her life on a bed, and that the quality of her sleep would affect her productivity, health, and good luck. Suddenly investing in a mattress with those benefits, along with lasting for a decade, seems like a great investment. So the mattress method is when you deliberately translate the value of your product or service into real life currency, like time, money, love, or health. You can figure that out by asking yourself, what results are you helping people achieve, and how can you translate that value into even more time, money, love, or health? Number seven, which will round out this live, which is track everything. You want to track all your expenses and everything, and of course you want to do that, and then come up with pricing solutions from everything as it relates to tracking your expenses. If you have any questions in regards to how much you should charge your clients, please do leave a comment in the comment box. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you too can receive content like this each and every week. My name is Tommy Watkins of Fingerprinting Gurus. See you next week with a new and exciting topic. Thank you.